Hey there, Genius Junkies! Welcome back to the channel where creativity meets productivity. Today, we're going to create two amazing projects, custom planners and journals in Canva. Whether you're looking to stay organized or get creative with your thoughts, these tools will help you do just that. Let's get started. First, log in to your Canva account. If you haven't signed up yet, no worries, it's quick and free. Selecting a planner template. For the first part of this tutorial, we're going to create a custom planner. On the Canva homepage, type Planner in the search bar. Canva has a variety of templates designed for daily, weekly, or monthly planning. Choose one that suits your needs. After selecting a template, click on it to open the editor. Here's where the fun begins. You can customize everything from the text to the images. Adding Canva library images. Let's start by adding some beautiful images from Canva's extensive library. Click on Photos or Elements from the side panel and search for images that match your planner's theme. Whether it's minimalistic, floral, or modern, Canva has thousands of high-quality images and illustrations to choose from. Simply drag and drop the images onto your design. You can resize and reposition them to fit perfectly with your planner layout. Editing text. Next, customize the text. Click on the text boxes to change the headings, add dates, or include motivational quotes. Adjust the font style, size, and color using the toolbar at the top. Adding icons and elements. You can also use Canva's elements like lines, shapes, and icons to organize your planner. These tools help you create sections, checklists, or decorative borders, keeping your planner both functional and visually appealing. To ensure your planner has a cohesive look, choose a color scheme that complements your selected images. Use Canva's color tool to adjust the colors of text, backgrounds, and elements. Once you're happy with your planner design, click on Share at the top right and select Download. You can save it as a PDF for printing or keep it digital for easy access. Creating a custom journal. Now, let's move on to creating a custom journal. Back on the Canva homepage, type Journal in the search bar. Canva offers a variety of journal templates that you can fully customize. Pick one that suits your journaling style. After selecting a template, open it in the editor. As with the planner, you can customize every aspect of your journal design. Adding Canva library images. Start by adding images from the Canva library. Click on Photos or Elements and search for images that inspire your journaling. Whether it's nature, abstract designs, or motivational graphics, you can find the perfect visuals to complement your journal. Drag and drop the images onto your template. You can resize, rotate, or layer them to create a unique look. Editing text. Next, edit the text. Customize the headings, add daily prompts, or include spaces for reflection. Play around with the font styles and colors to make it visually appealing. Adding icons and elements. Enhance your journal's design by adding icons, shapes, or decorative lines from Canva's Elements section. This will add a personal touch and make your journal more engaging. Choose a color scheme that complements the images you've selected. Adjust the colors of text, backgrounds, and elements to create a cohesive and inspiring journal. Once you're satisfied with your journal design, click on Share and select Download. Again, you can save it as a PDF for printing or keep it digital. And there you have it, your custom planner and journal, beautifully designed and ready to keep you organized and inspired every day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Genius Junkie, and hit the bell icon for more awesome design tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.